Garlic is a common ingredient found in cuisines around the world and has been used for hundreds of years. In addition to being used as a spice, garlic is also known for its medicinal properties and is often used in home remedies. Garlic is an extremely versatile ingredient with many beneficial qualities. It is used to flavor dishes, ward off pests, and even in superstitions to scare away vampires. Regardless of the reason, we know that garlic is a nutrient-rich food with many important properties that can benefit your health in many ways. Although it is high in calories, at around 100 calories per 100 grams, it is difficult to gain weight eating garlic alone, as it is not consumed in large amounts. Garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins, which improves physical and mental performance. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, and is an excellent source of allicin, a sulfur compound. Garlic can be used to treat infections, metabolic disorders, and respiratory problems. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that help maintain cardiovascular health, reduce cholesterol levels, and regulate blood pressure. Garlic can also improve blood flow, prevent premature aging, and even kill germs better than some prescription antibiotics. Putting garlic under your pillow is an old family secret used to improve sleep, especially for those who have trouble falling asleep. Garlic's strong aroma containing sulfur compounds can have a calming effect and help with sleep quality. Although the smell can be strong at first, over time, you get used to it and end up sleeping soundly. Garlic also has a positive effect on daily performance and helps to recharge overnight for the next day. Another way to experience the benefits of garlic for sleep is to prepare a natural drink that helps you relax. Thanks so much for watching this far. If you liked the content and want to keep following our videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your like, share the video with your friends, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any news. Your help is very important for us. To the next.